I finished a job that I'd been with for 20 years and I had no idea what I wanted to do. I just knew that I didn't particularly want to work for someone else anymore. So scrolling through Facebook, I came across Alex's video and just listening to that gave me the confidence to look further into it so much. So I'm really glad I came. A lot of it is already covered in the members area online, but little bits and pieces that I picked up, like not worrying about a logo until you get your first product listed, and comparing the US market and the Australian market as well. So I've picked up lots of little hints and tips, and the main thing that it's done is helped me to just want to do it. I don't know, there's been so much. So I guess just reassuring that this can work, but I just have to take action. So I just want to make sure I go out from today and take action. Yep, I'd be an advocate for it, because I think that the 10 basic steps makes it so easy and really simple and clear. So if you work through those steps, they give you lots of information, so I definitely encourage them to come.